Welcome back, YouTube. My name is Nigel Schroeter, and thank you all for tuning in. Today, we're going to be talking about American Express, and specifically, we're going to be talking about the opportunity to obtain a credit limit increase with American Express. So, what do I mean by that? A credit limit increase is your ability to apply for your credit limit to be raised with American Express. There are a few different ways that you can go about doing this. And basically, when you apply for a credit limit increase, they're going to add to the amount of money that you're able to spend off of your card monthly, and potentially the amount of money that you're allowed to revolve if you're choosing to revolve a balance on your credit card. It's extremely important to utilize these credit limit increases, because as you can get these credit limit increases and increase your credit limit, you can increase your cash flow, which will in turn allow you to have more opportunities to make more money and in the future raise your limits further and continue to make more money off of these products. Now, let me start off. In order to get a credit limit increase with American Express, the main two ways that you can do this is either you can apply through the app or website, where you can click on your card, you can go in and you can actually apply right there on the app or website and get a credit limit increase. The other way to apply for a credit limit increase, of course, would be to pick up the phone and call into American Express and speak to one of their customer service reps, who would be able to process the application for you and take down the information that you would need in order to submit the increase application. Typically, on a credit limit increase application, they already have all of your information. So the main things that they want to know is how much credit you're requesting, as well as how much income you currently have. And then they're going to run typically a soft check, can be a hard check, but more than likely they run a soft credit pull on your credit report, and then they either approve, deny, or counter offer your credit limit increase. Now, with that being said, what does that do? Basically, when they approve your credit limit increase request, that means the amount that you put on the application, you will get that full amount. If they counter offer it, that means that they're going to give you a smaller amount than what you requested, but they are still going to increase your credit limit. If they deny the offer, then that means that they are not going to give you a credit limit increase at all. Now, what happens in a credit limit increase and why is it so important? What does it add to you? It adds access for you to leverage other people's money. So by you getting this credit limit increase, you're getting access to more OPM, which is the bank's money. So now you're getting access to the bank's money, and you're able to put that back into your business or whatever engine is pushing out your cash flow, and use that money in order to invest to create more money. Now, how do you go about getting these credit limit increases and making sure that you can get the larger increases, like those 3 times increases that everyone talks about with American Express? Yes, you can request 3 times your credit limit after having your account open with American Express for 90 days. And what do you need to do in order to get that? The best thing that you can do with American Express, because they like to use your spending habits to determine your credit limits, is spend on that card and pay everything right back. The more that you spend and pay back, the more that you will receive in your credit limit increase. The other thing that I recommend that you do if you're trying to boost your credit limit increase opportunities with American Express is to keep your utilization low. When you keep low utilization across all of your credit cards, even your non-American Express credit cards, which is something that a lot of people are not going to tell you, but American Express looks at your whole credit profile, including your other cards, to see if any of them have had any recent spikes in credit limit. or credit utilization. And they utilize that data to help them better determine your credit risk and whether or not they're going to approve you for the credit limit increase. So with that being said, thank you all for watching. Thank you all for tuning in, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe.